Hello, today we will guide you through how to add K1 to H&R Block. To begin, open H&R Block's online tax software and make sure you're on the main menu for your return. From here, head to the Overview section. This is a helpful dashboard that keeps everything organized, and it's a good place to confirm you're in the right part of your return before making changes. Next, move into the federal area of your return. This is where you'll enter federal income details and forms. If you see the option to go to the beginning of your return, select it. This resets your place in the guided flow so the software can walk you through each relevant section in order. When prompted, choose Next to proceed past any introductory screens until you're ready to work on income. Now open the Income section. This is where you'll add, review, or edit all income items reported on your federal return. Select Add another income type to expand the full list of categories. If you don't immediately see what you need, simply scroll down to view more options. The list can be long, so using the search can save time. In the search field, enter K1. This filters the list and makes the K1 options easy to find. From the results, choose K1 Estate or Trust Income. Losses and expenses. That selection opens the guided entry for a Schedule K1 from an estate or trust, which corresponds to Form 1N41. Have your K1 document handy so you can copy the information accurately. Enter amounts and codes exactly as shown on your form, and use the software's brief explanations beside each field to confirm you're placing items in the right boxes. If something on your K1 doesn't look familiar, pause and check the form's instructions or the help text on screen. It's better to verify now than correct later. When you've completed the prompts for your K1, return to the Income section. This lets you review what you just added and decide if you need to include any other income items. If everything looks good, you can continue with the rest of your return from here. That's it. You navigated from the main menu to Overview into Federal, set yourself at the start of the return, advanced to Income, searched for K1, and opened the Estate or Trust K1 workflow, then return to Income to review. Take your time. Keep your K1 nearby as you enter details, and you'll be set to move forward confidently.